Hi students, how are you? Hope all are safe at your home. In the last class we have completed our first chapter name Lovely Letters, and we have created an invitation card in the last class. And we have left out one topic in that chapter, that is creating an invitation card in Malayalam. Okay, so I will take a separate video class for that, so it will be very clear for you. We need to study how to type Malayalam in computer. Okay, so I will take a separate video class for that, and we will create an invitation card. Okay, and in today's class we will start our new chapter, our second chapter. Chapter name is Globes and Maps in the Computer, and we are going to use an application called Marble. Okay students, this is similar to our Google Maps. You may be already familiar with Google Maps, right? Suppose if you are going to a place and you don't know the location, what you will do in Google Maps? We will search that location and we will get the route map of that location, how to reach the location. So a similar application like that. Okay, Marble is also a similar application like that, but it is an educational application. Okay, we can find the distance between two places, we can find a place, we can search a place, etc. Okay, so let us move to the class. So our chapter name is Globes and Maps in the Computer, and we are using a software called Marble. Okay students, so the topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter I have listed here. What is the first topic? Yes, what are the uses of Marble software? So I'll explain in detail. And the second topic, how to open Marble software. Okay, and we are going to do 3 activities in this chapter. The first activity is finding a place. The second activity, finding the aerial distance between two places. We can find distance between two places. And also the activity 3 is we can save a map. Suppose if you want only the map of India, you can save the map of India. Suppose if you want to save the map of Africa, you can save only that portion of the map. Okay, so these are the 3 activities which we are going to do in this chapter for today's class. Okay students, so let us start with the first topic. What are the uses of Marble software? So I have mentioned here, these are the uses of Marble software. What is the first use? It is used to find places. Okay, suppose if you want to search Irinjalakuda, you can type Irinjalakuda and you can find the place Irinjalakuda. Okay, suppose if you want to search Thiruvananthapuram, you can type Thiruvananthapuram and you can find the place Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, it is similar to our Google Maps. You may be familiar with Google Maps. Okay, so if you want to go to a place, what we will do, in our mobile phone we will take Google Maps and we search for the place and we type the name of the place in the search box, right students? So you can find the route map and also you can reach the place exactly. It is used to find places. What is the second use? It is used to find the aerial distance between two places. You can find the distance between two places. How many kilometers between two places? Okay, what is the third use? it is used to create and save maps. I have already told you, if you want only the map of India, you can save the map of India in Marble software. Suppose if you want the map of Africa, you can select that portion, select the map of Africa, and you can save it separately. Suppose if you want the map of America, you can select separately the map of America and you can save it. Okay, so there is facility for creating and saving only particular places in Marble software. Okay, and the last one is we are not going to discuss in this class, but we will be discussing in the next class. I think you may be familiar with the term latitude and longitude. If you are not familiar, I will explain this in detail in the next class. Okay, so today we are going to discuss only these 3 points. Okay, what is the first point? It is used to find a place. Okay, find a place means, suppose if you want to search Irinjalakuda, you can search the place Irinjalakuda. I'll show it in the Marble software. What is the second one? It is used to find the distance between 2 places. You can find the kilometers between 2 places. What is the third point? You can create and save a map. That means you can select a portion of the map and you can save only that portion in the map. Okay, my dear friends, this point I will explain you in the next class in detail. Okay, so let us move to the next topic. How to open Marble software. Okay, so there are 3 steps. First we have to go to application, second you have to select education, and third you have to go to Marble. So I'll show it now, then it will be very clear for you. At the top left corner you can see application. Click on select education and you can see here Marble. Can you see here? Yeah, this one. Click on that. Now this is the Marble software. At the left side you can see so many types of globes. Don't worry about that. You can select the first one, Atlas. Okay, and here there is a search box. Here you can search the places, and this is the map, and this is the globe. You can click and drag like this, so you can move the globe. Okay, suppose if you want India, you can click and drag like this. Okay, click and drag. Now you can see here is India. If you want to zoom, what you have to do is at the right side you can see here a plus button. Okay, click on that. Now you can zoom in the globe. Okay, again click on that, again it will zoom in. Now it is clear, right? What is our next topic? Yes, activity 1, finding places. So I have written down the steps here. You can read out the steps. First I will show these steps in the Marble software, then later we will read out these steps. Okay, so our activity is we are going to find a place. So go to Marble. Now I am going to find the place Cochin. Here you can see the Cochin. So I am going to type at the left side. You can see here search. This is the search box. Click here and type Cochin. While typing you can see the places here. Okay, so here you can see Cochin, IN in bracket IN. IN stands for, yes, India. So Cochin, you can click here and you press enter key in your keyboard. I repeat, after selecting the place you press enter key in your keyboard. Okay students, now you can see a cross mark here. Can you see here a cross mark? Now the Cochin is selected. We have found out the place Cochin. Okay, a cross mark will appear here. This is the way for finding a place. Suppose if you want to search Irinjalakuda, you again type here Irinjalakuda. I R I N J. Can you see here Irinjalakuda, again in bracket IN. So IN stands for, yes, India. Click on that and what you have to do, yes, press the enter key in the keyboard. Yes, now you can see here in Trishur, here is the place Irinjalakuda. The cross mark came here. Okay, so this is how we are finding a place. I'll show you one more place. Suppose I want to find Thiruvananthapuram. What you have to do, again you have to type here at the left top corner in the search box Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, you can see here Thiruvananthapuram in the bracket IN. IN stands for India. Click on that and you press enter key. Now you can see here that where is a cross mark. Yes, it is in Thiruvananthapuram. This cross mark in white color, cross mark. Hope all are clear about this first activity. It's very simple, nothing, my dear students. What we have to do, in the search box you type the name of the place and you click on the place and finally press the enter key on the keyboard. Then you can see a white cross mark on the place. This is how we are finding a place. Okay, my dear students, let us go to the next topic. What is the next topic? Yes, activity 2, finding aerial distance between two places. We are going to find the distance between two places. So I have written down the steps here. You can read out the steps. Okay, so first I will show you how to find the distance between two places in Marble software. Then it will be very clear for you, and after that you read out these steps. Okay, my dear students, so I'm going to Marble software. So here I am going to find the distance between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut. You can see here Calicut. Okay, I repeat, I am going to find the distance between the Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut. Okay, so what you have to do, the first step is you have to search the first place Thiruvananthapuram here. Thiruvananthapuram, and click on Thiruvananthapuram and press enter key in the keyboard. Now you can find the place here, this cross mark Thiruvananthapuram. What you have to do here as the second step, yes, right click on this cross mark, right click. Here you can see an option, the first option, add measure point. Add measure point. Click on that. Again, search the second place here. Search the what is the second place? Yes, Calicut. You can see here Calicut, India. Click on that and press enter key. Now you can see the cross mark here. Again you right click on the cross mark and select the first option, add measure point. Now you can see a red line in between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut. Listen my dear students, you can see a red line in between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut, and you can see the distance here in this box. Can you see here the total distance is 330.6 kilometer. It is written here 330.6 kilometer. So this is the distance. This 330.6 kilometer is the distance between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut. Okay my dear students, so what I have done here, I have searched Thiruvananthapuram, and what I have done here, right click and I have selected add measure point. Again I go back here, select the search the second place Calicut, and I have right click on the Calicut and click on add measure point. After that a red line appears here, and what is the distance, it is written here in this box. Okay, 330.6 kilometer. This is the distance between Calicut and Thiruvananthapuram. Hope all are clear about this activity. Very simple my dear students. So I have written here the steps. What is the first step? Find place 1, okay, using search box. So place 1 I have selected here Thiruvananthapuram, and right click on the place and click on which option? Add measure point. Similarly, find place 2 using search box. So which place I have selected here? Calicut. Yes. So find that place, and again the same step, right click on the place and click on which option? Add measure point. Now the distance between two places will be appeared or displayed. Okay, so this is very simple activity. Now we will move to the last topic in today's class. What is the last topic? Again an activity, creating and saving maps. So listen my dear students, it's very simple. I have written the steps here. We'll discuss this, so you can read out the steps here. So before that we will do it in Marble software. So I'm going to Marble software. So suppose I want the map of India. Just zoom out. For zooming out, you can see here a minus sign. Can you see here at the bottom right corner? Yes, click on the minus, so it is zoom out. If you want to zoom in, this plus sign here. Can you see here? I am moving the cursor, this one. For zooming out, here the minus button. Now you place it according to your convenience. Which place you want, you just adjust the area, and after that Now this is a globe view. Have you seen here? This is a globe view. I'm going to zoom out, then it will be clear for you. Yes, can you see here? This is a globe view, right? It is like a globe. Okay, if you want a flat view or a map view, okay, map view means it will be like a flat view. Now it is a globe view, right? I want to make this as a map view. Map view means it will be a flat map. Okay, so I will change it. Where you have to go, you can see here this box. Can you see here? Please see the cursor, my dear students. In this arrow you click either flat view here, or you can select Mercator view. Both are right, either flat view or Mercator view. So here I am going to select a flat view. So if I click on this, you can see the changes on the screen. I am going to click now. Can you see here? Now it is a map view. Okay, a flat view. Okay, again if you want to go back to global view, what you have to do, you can see here at the left side a globe here. Okay, click on that. Okay, if you want to move to flat view or map view, you can do it here. Click here and you can select flat view. Okay, now I need only a portion India. Okay, so I can zoom in here in the plus button, zoom, again click zoom, again zoom. Yes, now I can see India clearly here. What is the next step? You have to go to file. At the top left corner you can see file. Click on file. Again you can see an option called export map. Export map. Click on that. Now you can select a folder in your computer, any folder. Okay, you can select any folder and you give a file name. What you can give? India map, and you click on save. Okay, now this will be saved. Okay, so I will show that map in our saved folder. So can you see here India map? This one I have selected, India map. I have given the name India map. Double click on that. Now this is the selected portion and we have saved it. Okay, my dear students, as a picture. We have saved it as a picture. Okay, so close it. So it's very simple. You can read out the steps here. What is the first step? Set the place which you want to save. So first I have set the place as India. After that, step 2, select any view. Okay, either Mercator view or flat view. I have shown you. After these 2 steps, you can go to file menu. Step 4, click on the option export map. Step 5, select a folder, and finally you can click on save button. So it will be saved as a picture. Okay, my dear students, so these are the topics which we are. So hope all are clear about these 3 activities. So let us go for a quick revision. So what is our first topic? what are the uses of marble software. Okay, so it is used to find a place. Also it is used to find the distance between two places. Also you can create and save a map as a picture. Okay, the fourth point I will discuss in later. I'll explain in the next class what is latitude and a longitude. You may be familiar with this, but I will explain in detail in the next class. How to open the marble software? Yes, go to application. I will show you application, second step education, and third you can see here marble. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, and we have done 3 activities. What is the first activity? Finding place. Okay, so I'll show you again. For finding a place, what you have to do, at the left side you can see a search box. Click here and type any place. So suppose if you are searching Cochin, you click on Cochin and press enter key. Now you can see a cross mark here. Okay, what is the next topic? Finding the distance between two places. I have shown you, okay, how to find. First you have to find the place 1. Right click on the place and click on the option add measure point. Similarly for place 2, so do the same steps. Then you can see a red line there, like this, a red line. We have done an activity, that distance between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut, a red line like this. And also you can find the distance here between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut is 330.6 kilometer. Okay, my dear students. And finally, how to save a map. Okay, so what you have to do, first you have to set the place. Suppose if you want India, you can set the place as India. Then select any view, Mercator or flat view. Go to file, click on export map option, select a folder to save the map and click on save button. Okay, my dear students, so hope all are clear about the topics in this chapter. Thank you very much, my dear students.